See, we are here to talk about rock art. Now, globally, rock art is known around many countries, many continents, but the most popularly known are Australia, Africa, and India.
Right.
So, India is one of the richest in the world as such. But as when we come to the rock paintings, rock art, and the petroglyph work, the Europe had taken the initiative in the earlier period times of its deep study. But now, for over about 4 decades, India also has gone into the detail of the study of rock art and engravings. And Delhi was never known, unfortunately, for rock art. And I have made all my efforts, and now in the period of about 2 years, I have found more than 3,000 cup marks here and around 1,000 engraving work. So, which is exemplary in its own field. And wherever in India we find cup marks, there is no one single place where we can get around 1,000 or more than 1,000. But this is in Delhi, it is very rich. And it was not known, it is still not come on the map of India and the world, you can say, for rock art. And now, hereafter, when this report is submitted, these will be coming on the rock art map itself. And world will know about it. And the major problem in rock art is about cup marks. These cup marks that we have discovered in Delhi, they are now numbering more than 3,000. But the problem is, so far, it is not understood clearly what was the purpose of it, how they were made, what is the history. And but when we come to the contextual history, in this area also we find tools. So tools are helping agent here, or a context to decide that these should be somewhere around that period. Now we also find that this area where we are now at the present is a primary site for tool industry of Acheulean age. Now Acheulean also, for our knowledge, has been divided into 7 phases. What we find here is from second or third and fourth phase of industry period. Now this particularly where we are is probably between the third and the fourth phase of the Acheulean tool industry, or the age period of it. Now this is the first point that we found of rock art, cup marks in this ridge called Kamla Nehru Ridge, and this is an important part of the North Delhi. And here, when we go from here to Wazirabad, is the culmination point of the Aravlis. Now this is the last portion of the Aravali ridges, which is crossing North Delhi, and what we see the layout now, this is extension is from north to east. So as we go to the north side, it goes close to the Wazirabad, which is the end point of the Aravlis. So which is on surface, but as the history tells us, or the geology, the Aravali extending underneath the ground is going up to Haridwar area. So I think for today it is sufficient, and we will be taking further another group of cup marks in this area.